Hello friends, welcome back to yet an amazing video in our channel. So today we are starting a new series of episodes called as the Prime News, where you will get all the updates about cameras, filmmaking, giveaways, contests, competitions, every latest news on our genre will be available in these series of videos. So yes guys, we'll have these videos once in a week or at least twice a month. So based on the amount of updates or news I get, I will create these videos. So that's enough guys, let's start with the first episode of our Prime News. The first news is about Canon. Canon is gonna come with a high megapixel EOS R camera. Yes guys, high megapixel is getting kind of a trend nowadays. So yes, Canon is also going to go along with the trend, and by next year we will have a Canon camera with at least 100 megapixel sensor. This camera is going to be more geared towards landscape and studio photographers. So what do you think? 100 megapixel sensor? Is it needed for a camera? Let me know in comments. The next news is about the Nikon brand. Nikon is gonna give a strong comeback with its Nikon Z9 camera. So it's gonna come up with around 45 to 60 megapixel sensor, and also you're gonna have 8K recording in this Nikon Z9 camera. So these are the unofficial leaked specs of this Nikon Z9 camera. It's gonna come in the fall of 2021, so you'll have more updates in upcoming weeks. The third news is also about Nikon. Nikon is gonna launch a dozen of mirrorless lenses. So mirrorless lenses has been quite a complaint for many of the brands. Only Sony has large number of mirrorless lenses compared to Canon or Nikon, and now Nikon has decided to launch a dozen of lenses. Minimum 12 lenses are going to be launched from Nikon on the mirrorless side ASAP. I am not sure about the dates, so it will be launching soon. I will give an update if I get the correct date of launch. So Nikon fans, get ready, you will have a lot more fun in future. The next news is about the photography contest from Fujifilm India. So if you own a Fujifilm camera, you can just participate in this contest called as the Colors of Life, where you need to capture the colors of Holi that's happening this weekend. So yes guys, the official details of this contest is available in the Fujifilm India Instagram page. So go and check all the contest rules and regulations, participate in that, and all the best. The next update is for the Panasonic Lumix users. You have firmware updates for many cameras that's been releasing this month of March. The BG-H1 camera will get its firmware version 2 on March 24th. The S1H will get its firmware update on March 31st, version 2.4, and the S1 will get its firmware update version 2 on April 6th. And S1R will also get its firmware update version 1.8 on April 6th, and S5 will get its firmware update of version 2.2 on April 6th. So these 5 cameras are getting their firmware updates in the upcoming days. So if you own any of these cameras, go ahead, update your firmware. The next update is about mobile cameras. The recent launch of the OnePlus has been a collaborative effect with the Hasselblad company. So Hasselblad is a company that just creates medium format cameras and lenses. So OnePlus has collaborated with them for the OnePlus cameras. They have already done a collaboration with the Motorola mobile brand 4 years ago, but it didn't work out well, and now they have come back with a collaboration with the OnePlus. So there are a lot of review videos of that camera on the internet. Go check out guys. The last and the final update of this Tech News episode 1 is about the Vivo X60 Pro mobile camera, which comes in collaboration with Zeiss. So Zeiss is a brand that makes awesome lenses. So now Vivo has combined or collaborated with them to achieve, it's not the first time actually, it's probably the second time. Last time they did the collaboration, they came up with a 3-axis gimbal inside a mobile camera. That's really great, right? Now they have come up with 5-axis gimbal inside the mobile. So the Vivo X60 Pro comes with a 5-axis gimbal on its camera. So that's nice, right? You don't have any shakes when you record your videos, even if you run. So I don't know how effective that is. It's just a spec update do check out the live updates from all the tech reviewers out there and see how the sample videos are. So yes guys, we have come to the end of the first episode of Prime News. How was the video guys? I hope you enjoyed that. Do let me know in comments what all things I can improve, and if you feel like I missed some of the important updates that you already knew, let me know in comments. I will make sure that I will just inform it or update it to all our subscribers in the next video. So yes guys, if you're new to the channel, I am Kario from India. We talk photography, filmmaking, editing and many other social media stuffs that help creators like us. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. So yes guys, that's it for this video. We'll meet you in another video. Until then, it's your Kario signing off.